The lab which I will prepare today is the highlighter chromatography lab. The purpose of this video is to use the separation technique known as chromatography to determine the RF values and polarity of these three colored dyes in my highlighters. In order to perform this experiment, you will need a paper towel, scissors, tape of some kind, a pencil, your three colors of choice, a clear drinking cup, a ruler, and in this instance, used as a solvent, filtered water. An important key concept to understand for this lab is polarity. Polarity will be used to determine how far each dye moved on the paper towel while in the solvent. The color dye that will move the furthest on this paper towel after being doused in the solvent has the weakest polarity, whereas the dye that moved the least amount has the strongest polarity. Take your paper towel and mark about 1 to 2 centimeters away from the bottom of the paper towel with a thin pencil line. Here I have marked a pencil line on my paper towel at exactly 1 centimeter from the bottom. Then use your scissors, cut a small piece of duct tape, take the top of your towel, fold it around your pencil that you just used, like so. Next, choose your three color dyes. I'm using green, blue, and pink. Take them and make equally sized and spaced colored dots, one of each, on the thin pencil line you made on your paper towel. It should look like this. Next, you want to take your cup and pour some of your filtered water into the cup. Fill it just enough so that when you place your chromatography paper in, the colors do not touch the water. Next, take your chromatography paper, aka paper towel, and place it in the cup so that just the bottom touches the water and begins to absorb. Allow the water to absorb into the towel to at least halfway of your towel, like so. Next, take out your chromatography paper and lay it flat on the table. Next, use a ruler and measure exactly how far each dye moved from the line through the paper, then measure how far the solvent moved through the paper. Through the data that I collected, I was able to determine that the green dye had the lowest polarity due to its highest RF value, followed immediately by the blue dye, then the pink dye. As previously stated, we have successfully used the separation technique known as chromatography to determine the RF values and the polarity of three different color dyes. Go Blazers!